Don't download Netwealth Investments app before watching this. If you're considering the Netwealth Investments app, here's the reality check most people miss. Many assume it's a simple platform for managing their investments, but the truth is it's primarily designed for FA-based clients seeking portfolio management rather than casual traders. Netwealth offers automated investing and personalized portfolios with a focus on long-term growth. You can set goals, select risk levels, and let the platform handle asset allocation. Sounds convenient, right? The catch is that it works best for those comfortable with robo-advisors and long-term strategies. If you prefer to trade actively or need real-time trading features, Netwealth may not meet your needs. Fees are another factor to consider. While it's transparent, it's not free. Netwealth charges an annual platform fee plus underlying fund costs. For smaller portfolios, this can eat into returns. Most beginners overlook this, but it's crucial for making an informed choice. On the plus side, the platform is highly intuitive for goal-based investing. It offers detailed reporting, easy-to-read dashboards, and tools for tracking growth over time. It's ideal for investors who want a hands-off approach while still maintaining visibility of their portfolio performance. In conclusion, don't download Netwealth expecting a full-featured trading app. It's perfect for those looking for automated, goal-oriented investment management with low hands-on maintenance. But if you want active trading or access to more complex instruments, consider alternatives. Knowing exactly what you need from an investment app will save you frustration and help you grow your wealth efficiently.